In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, the nonprofit SurviveHER is hosting a fundraising event to help underserved women in Houston with life-saving mammograms and other critical breast health services. So joining me now to talk about that event is the organization's founder, Lyndsay Levingston. Thanks so much for coming into the studio.
Thank you for having me. Good to see you again, Haley.
Good to see you. What inspired you to start SurviveHER? Before we talk about the fundraising, I just want to give people some background on the nonprofit.
Well, I was diagnosed with triple-negative stage 2B breast cancer in July 2019. Underwent 15 rounds of chemotherapy, bilateral breast mastectomy, breast reconstruction. I learned I carry the BRCA1 gene mutation. I then had a procedure to remove fallopian tubes, ovaries, to reduce my risk of ovarian cancer. All of that within an 18-month span. Completed treatment, and after I conquered cancer, I had a calling over my life to create a platform, an organization to inform, inspire, and empower women about breast cancer awareness beyond the month of October, because I had no clue. I was very ignorant as it related to breast cancer awareness, and so I just wanted to share my story to help other women.
Yeah, I mean, you were so young when you were diagnosed. I think we were just talking about how that's when I first met you, when you had undergone all of the treatments and surgeries and things like that. So again, before we get too much into this, how are you doing today?
I am 4 years cancer-free.
Wow.
Praise God.
Yeah.
Or what we say in the health community, no evidence of disease. So 4 years. So I've certainly come a long way. I'm thriving. I'm healthy.
That's awesome.
I'm just so grateful.
Yeah, that's awesome. And so now you're doing wonderful things with your nonprofit. Tell us about the event that you have coming up.
So SurviveHER Soiree, 4th annual SurviveHER Soiree, Pink Night Out, is Thursday, October 3rd at 7 p.m. We are partnering with the Houston area BMW centers to promote and host this event. Our goal for the evening, Haley, is to raise $75,000 to raise money for those life-saving critical mammograms, breast exams, diagnostics. We also fill in the gaps for women who are going through treatment with wraparound services and resources, because breast cancer is a very expensive disease. If you don't have insurance, it could cost you anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million. That's a lot of money, right? So we work to fill in the gaps however we can to support women.
Well, and it's even more unaffordable for so many women who can't afford the mammogram to begin with, because then they catch it in a later stage. And then it's even more treatments and things like that that they have to go through.
Those bills will compound, and it's extremely expensive, and it's hard to manage. And we don't want a woman to be stressed out while fighting for her life.
Yeah, and so your organization can also help get them those life-saving screenings too.
Absolutely. We partner with various healthcare institutions in the city of Houston and a medical device company to provide breast exams. So we host like pop-up activations so that really no woman is left behind, and we really try to provide access wherever we can.
Yeah, well, I love that you do that, and you really wasted no time between your diagnosis and today.
I hit the ground running.
You did.
I hit the pink ground running.
Yeah, like immediately started helping other women, and I love that about you. So tell people, can they still buy tickets for the event? What can they expect at the event?
You can visit imasurviveher.org, and tickets are still available. In fact, they can walk up to the event to buy a ticket.
Nice. Okay.
If you can't attend, you can always donate. And I should also mention it's going to be hosted at the Thompson Hotel's Soul 7 Restaurant's patio. So it's a rooftop experience overlooking the city's 4th Ward. So it's going to be a really fun night. And you have to wear pink. In fact, you can't get in the door unless you have pink on.
You can buy tickets at the door, but you gotta come wearing pink.
You have to wear that pink.
All right, what are people gonna see at the event? Like what would they be buying tickets for?
So the experience will include pink cocktails, DJ dancing.
So cool.
We are honoring 5 SurviveHER champions. These are our community advocates and supporters. We'll also be, of course, celebrating our superstars, breast cancer survivors. We have a celebrity guest who's coming. We cannot share, it's a secret.
Oh, that
will
was
be
my
part
next
of the
question.
experience.
Who is it?
But just a really great time. We're looking forward to, again, raising money for women in the Houston community and beyond.
Nice. So I love that we have the information up on your screen now. So in case you've missed any of it, it is this Thursday, October 3rd, 7 p.m. off of Allen Parkway. So thank you, Lyndsay Levingston, for coming into the studio and sharing those details. Anything else you want people to know before I let you go?
So it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So for all women, if you are 40 and above, please schedule your mammogram, do self-breast exams, and also get a genetic test. Because again, I learned after I was diagnosed that I carry the BRCA1 gene mutation. I have a family history. So it's important that we also know our family history.
Which put you at risk for other kinds of cancers.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Good information to share with people, especially this month. Thank you so much.